Hello and welcome to Flipkart.com. I'm Radhika and today we're going to check out the Whirlpool Proton Refrigerator. This one combines functionality with style. The one on my left is a 240-litre capacity, while the one on my right is a 300-litre capacity. Whirlpool Proton series comes in more colors and capacities. To begin with, it comes with a 3-door format. It provides the functionality of a side-by-side refrigerator by compartmentalizing your storage well and gives you easy access to whatever food item that you might be looking for. The top section right here is reserved for freezing. The middle one is for fresh food and the bottom one is for fruits and vegetables. As you can see, there is a lot of storage right here. This is smart storage space that you do not get in other refrigerators. I think it's a great way to organize your refrigerator space. Are you already quite impressed? Wait, there's more. This refrigerator actually comes with air boosters, which control the overall circulation of cold air. Now, what that means for you is that they assure each compartment receives precise cooling and there is no overcooling of any food. So your juicy fruits stay as juicy and the cooling does not rob them of their moisture. Now, also, you must note that there is no direct cooling in this compartment right here. So the even circulation of cool air keeps everything inside the compartment as fresh as ever. Now, with children at home, the refrigerator opens more than a few times in the day. This usually makes the cooling slower and you more irritable. This refrigerator has an answer to that. At the back of this refrigerator lies Whirlpool's patented 6th Sense Deep Freeze technology, which ensures that the vents at the back create a circulation of cold air which keeps it chilled throughout the day. So open the door as many times as you want. The 6th Sense technology has you covered. This 3-door refrigerator comes with a 1-year warranty on the unit and 10 years warranty on the compressor. It can operate safely and remain stable without a separate stabilizer, even with frequent voltage fluctuations that we all face. So here goes my final word. This one scores big on functionality and design. The air booster technology is truly amazing, especially for someone who loves stocking fresh fruits and vegetables. So if you've made up your mind to buy this one, come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax while we take care of you with quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and assured brand warranty. This is all from me for now. Have a perfect buy.